How to set up Exodus wallet. If you want to set up your Exodus wallet, you can simply launch the Exodus wallet app first of all. There you can see the option I have a wallet or create wallet. Now if you already have a wallet, you can tap on I have a wallet option. But if you don't, then since we're trying to set up a wallet, you have to tap on the option create wallet and then just tap on it. As and when we do that, we have just already created our wallet. So there's really no need to do any extra or further steps in this case. Now you can start receiving cryptocurrency, buying cryptocurrency, and all of those options will be enabled for you within here. This way you can basically set up an Exodus wallet. Hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.